Welcome to the Fix It Tech News channel and talking about smartphones. There's new numbers coming out from Gartner that always checks the different market shares of companies and tech devices and operating systems. Gartner says that in the last quarter of 2020, smartphone sales were actually dropping 5%. So overall, over the year 2020, smartphone sales are down a big 12 to 14%. So that's a pretty big drop, and it goes with the pandemic. Showing that there's no more, people don't have money to spend on these devices right now. So big drop. Also, an interesting number coming up is in the last quarter of 2020, iPhones actually sold more than Samsung phones, which means Apple took the first place in smartphone sales in the last quarter of 2020. Probably has also something to do with the iPhone 12 maybe. But one of the interesting aspects is that they took first place. But overall for the year, Samsung is still the number one company for smartphone sales, but pretty much every company has a drop of, more than 10% in some cases. iPhone, I know that Apple has drops of sales of smartphones throughout the year. And even if they took first place in the last quarter of 2020, it's still down. Their numbers of the number of iPhones that were sold is down compared to the year before. So it's a bad year. 2020 was really a bad year for smartphone sales. We'll see what's going to happen here in 2021. Some are expecting that maybe there will be kind of a rebound and smartphone sales will actually go back up again for this year. So we'll see as what happens. And these devices are powerful. They last a long time now. So people have less and less of a need to change. Not counting the fact that there's no excitement anymore in the new devices, nothing new that is worth getting. So all of that together. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.